been using Canva for years. It's always been my go-to for thumbnails, social media posts, and lead magnets. But here's the thing, I was totally sleeping on its AI features. Once I finally tried them out, everything changed. Canva's AI isn't just extra tools, it transforms Canva from a simple design app into a full-on automated business engine. Whether you're a business owner, a student, a marketer, or even just starting a side hustle, Canva AI can save you hours of work and cut big costs. Today, I'll walk you through all of Canva AI's features, show you how they actually work, and test whether they're worth using. By the end, you'll see how you can create logos, images, videos, websites, and even marketing strategies all in one place. Inside Canva AI, inside Canva, you'll see a section on the left side for AI tools. Here's a quick rundown. Design for Me instantly creates layouts, logos, and brand assets. Magic Media, create an image, turns your text into images or graphics in seconds. Docs with Magic Write, draft a doc, writes marketing strategies, blogs, or content calendars. Code for Me writes HTML/CSS to kickstart websites and landing pages, create a video clip, generates short cinematic ads or promo videos. Now let's test them one by one. One design for me. Every business starts with a logo. Normally, you'd spend hundreds of dollars and weeks going back and forth with a designer. Here, I'll just type minimalist luxury logo for Pure Glow Naturals, eco skincare brand. Elegant line art illustration of a blooming flower inside a thin circular frame paired with modern serif typography. Color palette, ivory white, champagne gold, and soft sage green. Premium wellness brand aesthetic, flat vector design on a clean background. Canva gives me multiple options in seconds, and honestly, they look professional. The trick is to always mention colors, style, and theme in your prompt, otherwise you'll get random results. After creating your logo, open it in Canva Editor. Here you can easily change the background, remove the background, or even generate a new one using magic tools. You can also grab and move text, use Magic Expand to adjust your design, and make quick edits in seconds. Canva AI makes logo editing fast and professional. 2. Create an image, Magic Media. Skincare brands live on good photography. Instead of booking a photo shoot, I'll just type elegant woman relaxing in a spa-like bathroom, applying face cream from a frosted glass jar with bamboo lid, candles and orchids on a marble counter, warm golden tones, luxury wellness aesthetic. Canva delivers stunning realistic images that could 100% pass as professional product shots. And just like with logos, you can open these images in the Canva editor. Remove or swap backgrounds, use Magic Grab to move objects, erase unwanted details, or expand the photo for better framing. 3. Draft a doc. A brand is nothing without a marketing plan. Write a 30-day Instagram plus TikTok content calendar for Pure Glow Naturals, targeting women 20 to 35 in the US and UK. Include post ideas, short captions, hashtags, and content pillars. Education, community, product, lifestyle. Within seconds, Canva writes out a full content plan. Pro tip, the more specific your audience, the sharper the strategy you'll get. This is like having a marketing intern on demand. 4. Code for Me. Here's the fun part. Create a responsive landing page for Pure Glow Naturals with a hero banner, product highlights, about section, customer testimonials, and a contact form. Use soft luxury colors like sage, champagne gold, ivory, and blush pink. Can Canva build a website? Let's try. Now, it's not Shopify level perfect, but it generates a functional layout you can refine. For a quick launch, it's more than enough. Now, if you're ready to publish your website, it's super simple. Just click on Use in Design, then select Website. Once your site preview loads, go to the top right corner and click Publish Website. Canva will instantly generate your live link. And just like that, your website is ready and live on the internet. 5. Create a video clip. Now, let's make video content. Normally, editing ads takes hours. I'll type make a promotional video of an elegant woman with glowing skin applying eco-friendly face cream from a frosted glass jar with bamboo lid. Setting: spa-like luxury bathroom with candles, marble counter, and soft golden lighting. Cinematic slow motion shots showing her smile, glowing face, and the cream texture. Premium beauty ad style, Instagram ready aesthetic. And done. The result looks like a real Instagram ad. Canva just saved me at least 3 hours. So there you have it. In few minutes, Canva AI helped me create a logo, a marketing strategy, product images, a promo video, a pitch deck, a website. That's not just design. That's a full business toolkit. My verdict? Canva AI is like having a creative team, a marketer, and a developer all rolled into one. If you're building a business, studying, or just want to save time, this is a game changer. Now, I want to know, what would you build with Canva AI? Drop your ideas in the comments.